My name is Graham Ackersviller. I'm the repairs factory manager here at Stoney Creek for Hitachi Energy. We've got a team here that is responsible for repairing and refurbishing used transformers. That goes to serve utilities and industrial customers across North America. Hitachi is a large global company, but we started here actually not as Hitachi. This facility initially began as a Siemens facility, built specifically for this location in Stoney Creek, and leased the property for several years. And now actually we own the property, which we're really excited. It brings us a little bit closer to being a part of the community. In Hitachi, we also do make new transformers. However, what makes us unique is that we're looking at extending life of existing transformers. So we have units that have been in service for 20, 50 years, and what we are able to do is extend that life so it goes another 20 or 50 years. Why that's important to us is because it reduces our carbon footprint. So from new to remanufactured or refurbished, we can reduce up to 70 to 80% of the carbon footprint for a customer. Who we service is utilities as well as industrial clients. A lot of local within Ontario, but we service all of North America, which again brings us back to the community in Stoney Creek. You know, we have the capability to receive these units via rail, via transport, and coming through the ports. So really a key part of being here in Stoney Creek. It means a lot to us to be awarded this award because being a part of a community is felt not only in industry but in family, and that's what we strive to have here in our organization is the feeling that we're all part of a family, and families care for each other, and that's what we value about Stoney Creek Chamber of Commerce is valuing each other, seeing how we can support each other, not only what we expect from Stoney Creek Chamber of Commerce, but also what we can give back to the Chamber of Commerce. We have members that live in this community, and that's a value to us as well. We're a growing company. We've grown significantly in the years from 2021. I think around 30 staff have been hired. That's always important for us as well, is engaging and hiring local. And that's even more and more important as we see the focus on community in Canada being strong together.